Hello everyone and welcome to episode number 3. Yes, that's 3, not 3 because that's really uncomfortable, and certainly not 3 like the Germans do. 3 because everything is okay. Welcome to episode 3 of Rob's video blog. I know I said I was going to do something on the inflation and deflation caused by fractional reserve banking. However, there are a lot of really good videos on YouTube for that, and there's one specifically by a guy, Mike Maloney. He does a whole series on money and what money really is in the current banking system. It's called The Hidden Secrets of Money. I would highly recommend it, and I will link to, I believe it's episode number 4, where he breaks down exactly how the entire banking system works, including a segment on fractional reserve banking, and it's fantastic. There's graphics and animations and music, and he breaks it down, and it's way more easier to understand than if I was to explain it to you. So I'm just going to do 2 quick things. You will notice that the video and audio quality are significantly better. I just got a new Logitech C920 camera. Very high quality, very good camera, so big thumbs up for that. Last night I watched the movie Nightcrawler. Awful movie. Boring, slow, one of those movies where there's not a lot of dialogue. There's like, the whole movie's about like one person and just kind of follows him around the whole time. It's about this sociopath who just videotapes awful news accidents, crimes, that sort of thing, and sells them to this newswoman. And that's pretty much the story in a nutshell. It's about 2 hours long, so pretty boring, not so good. And I don't know about you, but there's enough dysfunction in the world. I don't need to watch movies about dysfunction. My apologies for the splice. My cat Stella was crying at the door and she had briefly interrupted me. The second item I want to talk about is parking. So I went to CVS the other day to pick up a card for my wife for Valentine's Day. And it was pretty, the parking lot was pretty packed because there's a lot of people there picking up stuff for Valentine's Day. And I park in the second to last row, and there's 3 available rows. And there's one spot in the row, one row closer than where I parked, and there's a gigantic pile of snow and ice in there. And this woman pulls in with her SUV and like wiggles between the car next to her and the snow and like scrapes up on the ice and everything, can barely get out of the car, gets out of the car. So I go in, get my stuff, come out. She happens to be coming out at the same time as me. I pull out of my spot. I'm about to pull away, and I see this woman try to pull out, and guess what? Her tires are spinning because she pulled into a giant bank of snow and ice. And all for what? All because she didn't want to walk another 10 feet. This shit drives me insane. You go to the mall, you go to the supermarket, people would rather spend 5 minutes driving in circles like this than just park a little bit farther away. I don't know about you, but our time here on Earth is very limited. The most important resource that you have is time. You get paid to do something else because your time is your freedom. So when people waste time because they want to be 5 feet lazier, it just blows my mind. It's a microcosm of the world around us. So those are just the 2 things I wanted to talk about. So I will hopefully have a slightly more interesting and in-depth topic coming up next. Maybe I will do a little section on fractional reserve banking or something along those lines. But this is just a quick update, and I wanted to use the new camera, so thanks for watching.